Go on, Carl. Still in, Dean?
Yeah.
Jack! What are you Jack's gonna black you combine officer.
What, you told me be told. I don't even know who you got on about with everybody else.
It's the song of the
No, he's telling him. He's just trying to get Peter. Calm yourself down.
I'm not bothered.
I'm not bothered.
I'm not even bothered. Are you bothered?
I don't know if you'll shoot
Hate him though. Hate him.
just because he's got
Horny
better
bastard.
ginger hair than you.
He kept putting the balls and landing on the next one. And then putting them and then landing on the next one all the time.
I see, that's where we got wrong here.
Plus two! And then missed.
Not like you, that.
That was probably the reason.
Your fault, Kev.
Can we just apologise to all the viewers there because somebody slapped the table?
No deal.
16 people. Oh, 16 of them are like that.
He had 3,000 before I started
That's
playing.
when you're in. When you walk in the picture, there's about 200.
He had 3,000 views before I started playing.
Turn the brightness down. I think I put it on front.
This will take a while.
I think you're alright here, maybe. Might slice this one on here.
Go on, Jimmy. You look left. Go on.
Yeah. We've got 3 viewers now. 3.
3 with the pants down.
Any at the ankle?
And one's me.
Sorry, one of them's just said they've run out of Vaseline.
Hi, can you fetch him into the toilet?
Sing, Kev. Come on, harvester. Play all the tunes in here. Okay.
Jack!
You put this fucking song on! Callum's not here today, it must have been you!
I said that, man. Look at Kev. You're dying to say it.
I said that, baby. I said that, baby.
2 seconds, combine harvester.
I've got a
Should we go for the one minute?
That's it, we're in the book.
What?
Have to zoom in on that.
You text me before.